Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to export our reports on Salesforce. So first we're going to go to our browser, then we're going to search for salesforce.com. Then we're going to log in. As you can see, we're already logged in. Then next we're going to click on the app launcher, which is found at the top left corner. Then we're going to search for reports. Then click on it. As you can see, these are our reports. Then all you have to do is click on the drop-down arrow. Then as you can see, there's the export button. You're going to click on it. So it's going to make us choose between the formatted report or details only report. Then you guys could also choose the format. So we currently chose it to be Excel as well as the formatted report. Then click on export. So then we're going to download it. Then after we download it, we're going to open it. So this is how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.